everything's just messing up today. Yeah, so we're going through our trade recap. So we gaze. So let me do our little replay. We'll just go there so then we don't get scrambled forward. You know what I mean? Yeah, so pretty much going into this session, off rip, we got this fat SMT, which is our bias for the whole entire session, other than the fact that we'll in a 4-hour discount, and the fact that we wanted to trade into all-time highs, and that's what my bias was going towards the session. So let's have a look. So we see our bias is the equal all-time high. There's actually another high there that I missed. Anyway, so the entry SMT divergence. This is the first trade on Nasdaq. Got that SMT divergence, so we're just looking for a retracement. As this was the bullish index, and we're trading in towards the relative equal all-time high. Yeah, I couldn't catch a good risk to reward, to be fair. Like, it was pretty shit risk to reward. I think it was actually worse than that risk to reward after the spreads. So that was off us coming into filling the fair value gap, getting a bullish reaction out and getting a break of structure. And to the relative equals, take profit there, hit straight away, and that was just a smaller position. On ES, we entered, so that Nasdaq was half a position. This is another, hold up, my daily risk is $8 now, so I risked 4 on that, made 2, so the shit risk to reward. Risked another 4 on this with TP 1 and 2 there, and then getting stopped out at break even the last position. This one I actually risked 4 off rip, and then I risked another 2 at about there, so that kind of jumbles up the risk to reward, but that ended up being the break even position. So the total profit for the day was $6. Yeah, so I thought that was a pretty good trade, especially for the first bit of profit in the while, and the first profit for the week. We're also scaling up on account size, so make sure you follow on the TikTok and Instagram, and if you're on the TikTok and Instagram, come over here. Except this isn't on the TikTok and Instagram, so I need to come over here, so you know what I mean? I'm bumbling. Anyways, that was a good trade, I thought. Actually quite happy with that trading day, to be fair. Very happy with that. So yeah, that's it. Sees, we're going to be trading tonight. I'm going to go to bed for an hour now, and then wake up and trade again. That's why I'm quiet, because I'm trying not to wake up the family, right? I promise I'm not hostage. Right, also new TikTok and Instagram, because I got shadow banned, so I said the R word, you know, you know what I mean? You get the gist. Can't say that word anymore, apparently. Even though I love that word. It's like my favourite word. And stupid TikTok took away from me. So, yeah, not much I can do other than pull my head in. Sorry, my Chinese friends at TikTok. Anyways, that's the trade recap. Light maxing.